Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu Sq2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can press and hold the upper button to open the controls menu. And once the menu opens, you should see a couple of icons in it, or on it rather, and one of the icons should look like the sun. This is the brightness icon, screen brightness icon rather. You can tap on this icon to open the screen brightness menu, and here we can adjust the screen brightness. But first you will need to disable the auto brightness by tapping on this A icon right here. Once the auto brightness is disabled, you can adjust the brightness by tapping on the icons right here at the top and bottom of the screen. And once you're done adjusting the brightness, you can press the lower button to go back. Like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.